Welcome to sixth day of our thought series. Yesterday we discussed about it could be a simple smile, it could be a simple kind words, it could be some things, it could be even a time for someone's compassion transforms not just others' life, but it also transforms our heart. It gives us the unlimited state of reacting, but the simply listened kindly, spoke gently, and calmed the man's rage. This is the power of karuna. So, how can we practice anything that is possible by us? Practically, let us help to others. And third one, it is a practical relatives or not relatives, all may be happy, all may be free from suffering, all may be free from enemies. And in comparison to others, it is not only to help others,